The 2024 Ford Explorer Kunlun Peak Edition will be the brand's unique SUV and will be positioned as the mid-size passenger car of the brand aimed at family consumers. In terms of design, the Ford Explorer retains its basic structure, but it features a gloss black decoration kit that enhances its appearance. The kit includes various elements such as the front grille, bumper, wheel, arc rim, side door cladding, roof railing, and 18-inch black alloy wheels with triangular orange accents. The car also comes with a distinctive black mountain-shaped brand logo and is equipped with 80 tires, ideal for traversing all types of terrains. Additionally, the vehicle has been upgraded with a set of LED daytime running lights. There is a black Explorer brand name on the bonnet, along with the Timberline name on the rear lid, as well as black Ford logos on the front and rear of the vehicle. Additionally, a special edition indicator is placed on the C-pillar. The special edition Ford Explorer Kunlun Peak Edition will be available in China. There will be 4 exterior colors to choose from: orange, black, grey and white. Upon opening the door and stepping into the cabin, you will be greeted with a cover plate adorned with an orange Timberline badge. The interior of the cabin features a two-tone color scheme, with the seats and door panels covered in suede material. The dashboard retains a large 27-inch display along with a 12.3-inch instrument panel exclusive to the Chinese version of the Explorer. The cabin of the Kunlun Peak Edition is available in both 6 and 7-seat configurations. In terms of driving power, the vehicle is equipped with a 2.3-litre EcoBoost engine that generates 272 horsepower and a maximum torque of 425 Nm. Power is transmitted to all 4 wheels through a 10-speed automatic transmission, which incorporates a torsion-limited slip differential. Ford has not disclosed the price for the vehicle in China. However, it is anticipated that the price will be slightly higher compared to the standard model available in the Chinese market.